How to fix Acer laptop black screen but turns on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Acer laptop is on, but the display is black. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So usually this is nothing too serious and we can usually fix it with a couple different button combinations. So the first thing we're going to do is hold down the Shift key, the Control key, the Windows button, and B just for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. You may see it start flashing or maybe your screen comes back. This is going to reset the graphics card on your computer. Like as you can see, my mouse came back. You can let go after about 10 seconds and hopefully that fixed your issue. Now, if it didn't fix your issue, don't worry. The next thing we're going to do is a hard reset, and this will just simply force the laptop to shut down and then turn back on. It will not affect your files. So what you need to do is find the power button. On mine, it looks like that. Hold down the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. You may see the backlight on your keyboard turn off or the fans. You'll hear them turn off. Keep holding it for around 5 seconds after that happens. And then all we need to do is let go and then hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds to get it to boot back up. Give it some time. After around 5 seconds, you should see the display come back on and it'll start booting up the computer. It may take a little bit longer because we did the hard reset, so just give it some time. And then as you can see, it's now booted up. The display is working. It's responsive to my touch and I can enter my PIN so I can get in my laptop. And that's how you fix Acer laptop black screen but turns on. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.